I would like to introduce you how to use the editor. When writing an editor note, the writing area can be enlarged or reduced. Let me demonstrate writing a research note using the editor. The editor can write as easily as handwriting a research document or report. With the addition of templates, you can bring up and fill out a set of institutional forms easy. A molecular formula can be searched, or if not present, it can be created and registered. You can use an equation editor or stylus writing on a tablet that can be directly imported. You can also search for papers and terms and have it directly appended. Embedded Translator serves 4 languages: Korean, English, Chinese, and Japanese. You can attach data to the research notebook you have created through file upload. Research notes being created can be temporarily saved and can be modified at any time. If you write a note that differs only in the result value in the same content, you can import previously written note and apply delta to complete your note creation in no time. Temporarily created notes can be imported and created from temporary storage bin. After documentation is completed, it is submitted for review and approval process. This concludes our brief tutorial on Note Editor. Thanks for watching.